Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and chat in Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do, you will simply gonna go ahead first, access your Tinder app in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So if you simply swipe to your left, that means you are not interested. If you swipe to your right, that means you're interested in that person. Once you have done so, you can say this is chat icon given below this green heart. If you go there, you simply will be able to see all of the chats, all of the person that you have. You can see search 0 matches, get swiping. When you match with other users, they will appear here where you can send them a message. For the purpose, both have to be liked by each other and get a match. So from the you're gonna go back and swipe, like them, like the people, whoever you would want. And you can, once you have got the match with any of the person that you have swiped right with, you will find them over here. You can tap on them and again simply write the messages just like you do on your other platforms, like hey, what's up, I like this about you, I'm interested, etc, etc. That would be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.